Hi everyone! Some cool tricks how to explore the process of creating a table in Excel. For example, using the Format as a Table tool, you can arrange your data systematically and display it in visually appealing structured table. To start, select the range of data you would like to include in the table. Next, go to the Home tab, locate the Style group, and click on the Format as a Table. Here, you will find a variety of table styles to choose from. Select one that suits your preference, or customize your own by clicking the option below. For now, let's select the green one. Click OK, and the data is now displayed in the style you have selected. Adding new data is effortless. For example, to include data for profit in column H and press Enter. The table will expand automatically, maintaining the format. The same applies to the row of the year. We just add the 2025 and press Enter. The table format will extend to the new row. Here we also have a key feature, Table Design tab. By using the Format as a Table function, Excel activates a new tab called Table Design. This tab is only visible when you click inside the table. Let's explore its feature. You can change the table style by selecting a new color scheme from Table Styles. Try to switch to the blue one. And here there is another useful function. It's the drop-down arrows in the header row, which enable sorting and filtering. For instance, you can sort different values in ascending or descending order. For example, simply click on the drop-down icon, select all, and select the data that you are interested for. Click OK to apply the filter. To restore all data, select Clear Filter From. You can also toggle the filter buttons on and off by checking or unchecking the filter buttons option. Another fantastic feature is the Total Row option. When enabled, a summary row appears at the bottom of the table. Click a cell in this row to choose a function, such as sum, average, or maximum. Apply the same function across multiple columns by dragging the cell's corner. In the Table Style Options section, you can toggle features like Header Row, show or hide the header, First column, highlight the first column in bold, Last column, highlight the last column in bold. Banded rows, shade alternate rows for better readability. Banded columns, shade alternate columns instead. Guys, this was a very easy tutorial for beginners. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.